A Porsche Taycan, crossed Turismo, crashed and ended up underneath the Parked Porsche Macan, but the expensive collision resulted in no injuries. The crash occurred just outside Madrid. Somehow, the Taycan scooped up the Macan, which was parked along the street, onto its hood and windshield. That's impressive enough, but the Taycan also traveled fast enough to push the pair through a brick wall. No one was in the Macan at the time of the accident. The driver of the Taycan, a 45-year-old woman, wasn't injured, but she did suffer an anxiety attack after the crash. The precarious situation made extracting the two vehicles difficult. Rescuers needed the help of a crane to secure the Macan so they could remove the Taycan underneath it. Removing the Taycan exposed the extensive amount of damage caused to the wall. You could fit the Macan through the hole sideways.